Yo guys, this is Madin Kazi and today we are going to do night photography with my Canon 1500D and also with Canon 50mm f1.8. So this is just a little video about it, so let's get started. So guys, when you are doing night photography, you have to keep two things in your mind. Doesn't matter which camera you are using. First thing is, where you are shooting portraits, you should have a little bit of light so that you don't have to decrease your shutter speed too much or increase your ISO too much. And the second thing is, you should have lights in your background. Because we are using 50mm f1.8, we will probably try to take some bokeh portraits. So that's why you should have some lights like this lake here, so that we can create some bokehs in our photos. So let's take some dope portraits. So guys, Saif is going to be our model today. Make sure you check out his Instagram. भाई बहुत मचा रहे हैं. 10,000 के वाला एक मीम का पेज है, एक 2,000 के वाला मीम का पेज है. So check out his Instagram. Now let's take some dope portraits.
Dope photos.
Dope photos. Dope. So guys, you can see we are using that light coming from the street lamp to light our portrait. So you can use this same technique. So whenever you are shooting outside in night, make sure you are nearby some light source, or you should carry some portable lights so that your camera will work properly and focus properly in low light conditions. Now I forgot to tell this in the video, but now I'm telling it in voiceover, that Canon 1500D sometimes don't focus very well in low light conditions, so you will have to use manual focus for taking some photos. So guys, we changed the location. We are right now on streets. We are trying to take some bokelicious portrait by using traffic lights, or you can say vehicles light. So guys, we tried so many times here for taking a portrait, but every time we tried, someone would come in middle of our frame or in the background. Everyone was just coming, and some people are just not moving. So that's why we didn't get the portrait here, but I tried a portrait when we were going home. This is it. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out Saif's Instagram, because he helped me so much for making this video. And we didn't get to shoot too much, but I have some sample images that I've taken with this camera and with this lens. So I'm going to show you that next. See you in the next video. Okay, peace. रुक जा लाइट नहीं इधर. हाँ अब बोल. छोड़. So guys, Saif is going to be our model. Wow, nice model.